Hey guys, Chip Chat Trot back, and today we will be doing the part 2 of the Bee Swarm Simulator series. Oh, woo! And if you haven't seen the last one, please do go check it out, otherwise you will have no idea what this one's about. Yeah! Okay, so today we will be seeing if Mr. Spider has spawned, because as you can see, okay, great, thanks camera. As you can see there, we need to slay a spider. And disclaimer, this might have some, so yeah, go watch the first one, otherwise there will be some spoilers. In the last one, we went to the panda and we killed a spider, but then the panda said, kill a spider, so we had to wait like a half an hour for the stupid spider to spawn, right, I think 14 minutes, are you kidding? Right, let's have a go at this parkour while we're here. I bet this is gonna go so badly. I feel like this parkour is actually easier than the mushroom. Oh, I just hit my head on that. I feel like this parkour is a bit easier than the mushroom one. I don't know why. Because last time I got up to like the cactus bit. Not cactus, what am I talking about? I got up to the bamboo bit. So that was actually my furthest. But then I fell. I just realized if I kill the spider, I get a royal jelly anyway, so I don't know why I want to get that one. Okay, this is stupid. 13. What is in here anyway? I don't want to go in. It's creepy. I'm creepy. Okay, guys, if I can get, let's be a bit ambitious and go for 50 likes on this video. I'll go into that spider cave and see what's going on in there. Okay, 50 likes. Okay? You think you guys can do it? Yeah, I think you guys can do it. Oh, well done. Oh, well done. I didn't actually realise you did that there. Oh my god! Last episode I completely forgot to do Bee of the Day. Okay, so last episode's Bee of the Day. Let's go back to the hive so we can see them all. I finally made up my mind who Bee of the Day is. So we're gonna quickly go back here. Go back to our hive. Okay, everybody. So let's just make. Okay, so that Commander Bee, Rascal Bee, we know that's Rascal Bee, Bomber Bee, Exhausted Bee, Commander Bee, Blue Bee. Okay, so the Bee of the Day. Last episode is Blue Bee, that bee right there. This bee, because every time I want to make honey, he always comes to the hive first and helps me make honey. So yeah. And also, he's always takes the lead for fighting those silly things. Oh, I just need 5,000 more honey, and then I can't get my new egg, which I probably can enchant. I'm still in Minecraft mode. Enchant by Mr. Panda's thingy. Maybe this guy has a spider. Maybe this guy. That guy's. Ew! He's a bacon hair. Ew! Ew, but I have to say he's actually doing really well. But ew, he's a bacon hair. Ew, that's disgusting. Great. No, that's just great. Let's try the parkour again. I know, guys, I'm sorry I'm torturing you, but I really want this royal jelly. No, I'm actually doing this not for the royal jelly. I'm doing this for the amazement, of actually conquering this parkour thing. Because I really want to say to everyone, look, I conquered the parkour with the bamboo shoots. So yeah, that's kind of somewhat what I'm doing. Okay, where do I go now? Up there. Okay, yes sir. This is easy now. Right, this is the jump I always fail at. Okay, so right on the front of the block and go BAM! BOW! Poop! Wait, is that a spider? Wait, no, that's not a poop. Oh, I was so close as well. Oh, I was so close. No, I think I over jumped it. I think I went a tiny bit too far. That's what I think what happened. Okay, great. I jumped too far, so I need to jump a bit, like, I don't have to go so close to the end of the rock, whatever it is. Why? My space bar's not working. Right. Come on. Is this fourth time? Fourth time, third time lucky, everybody. If this is third time anyway. No, I think it's fourth time. Okay then, guys, we've changed it. Now, fourth time lucky. Nope. Fifth time lucky then. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, fifth time lucky, everybody. Fifth time lucky. Okay, I'm not going to do sixth time lucky. I'm really bored. Come on, Mr. Spider, wider. Okay. Come on, wait. Oh, she's got a, is that a parachute? She got a parachute. What is that? I don't get how you guys are so good at Bee Swarm Simulator and I'm saying, yeah. Sorry. That's kind of what I'm like though. Totally. Right, come on, Mr. Spider. Okay, parkour time. By the way, off recording, I might try the parkour as well and see if I can do it. Maybe it's just the pressure. I know I'm recording, and I know all you guys are gonna watch this, and I think it's just the pressure of knowing that you guys are gonna watch this that's making me not do it. No offense, guys. No offense. Like, no offense. Okay, no offense. Oh, this is a hard jump. Oh, made that. Oh, I think I broke my index finger pressing that W too hard. Oh, wait, what? Come on. Right, okay, I'm just giving up on this now. Come on, Mr. Spider, you know you want to spawn. No, 8 minutes. Alright, parkour time again. Oh, guys, we're also going to check out the little beetle of King Beetle. Okay, whatever. I might go and make this into thingy before I go, make this into honey before I go defeat him, because this is quite a lot of pollen. Tap, tap, tap. Then hopefully when I come back, Mr. Spider Wider will have spawned. Well, guys, 50 likes, now I'll go in the cave and see what it's all about. What do these things do? Okay, perfect. Pollen container is full. Let us go. I wish there was a teleport button so you can get to the hive quickly. Oh, I keep pressing up this. Pollen container full. Go to your hive to make honey. Yeah, I really feel like that is an Easter egg because I don't think that's actually someone. Oh my god, how did they get that many bees? Okay, guys, I get it. I'm a noob. Okay, I get it, guys. Okay. Right, let's just wait here. 5 hours later. Okay, great. So much longer later that they had to hire a new narrator because the old one got bored. Yay, still making honey, so happy, still. Oh, this guy in chat says, friends, do you want to be friends with me? Friends, do you want to be a friend? No. Come on then, make up this honey and then I think I don't think so. Spider! I think I see a spider. No, that's the ladybird, I think. Wait, is that a spider? I swear I saw a spider. Alright, okay, if I quickly go check if the spiders spawn or not. Okay, great. I'm just gonna go, oh, hi, Golden Death. Okay, I'm going to check if this bit, wait, what's that? Can you see that? Is that a bear? Up there. Is that like a bear or something? Oh, and there, that's a bear as well. Right then. Oh, he's got the same animation as me. Oh, I love it. We're best buddies now, aren't we, Panda? Alright, how much longer? 5 minutes. What was I going to do while I was here anyway? Well, I swear I was going to do something. I completely forgotten what I was going to do. I've literally completely forgotten. Rhino Beetle, not the time. Go defeat him, bees. 3 of them. Yeah, if I just stand here. Oh, Golden Death, go away. Okay. 5 minutes. Let's spend 5 minutes doing some parkour. Rhino Beetle, not the time. Bigger, 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 parkour, 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 parkour. Sorry. Spider! Yes! Is that my spider? I don't think it's mine. I think it's Golden Death Spider. Come on. No, yeah, it's Golden Death Spider. Oh, come on. But can my bee still? Come on, bees, can you? Yes! I think my bees are going for it. Was that? No, that was his bees. Okay, poop. 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes. Quick, we're running out of time. I really hope to defeat this spider in this episode, not the next one. I don't know why. Just thought you guys would like to see a bit spider battle. Guys, just in case you didn't know, I have like level 10 arachnophobia. Like, I'm so arachnophobic, like seriously. So I don't know how I'm actually begging this spider to come out. It's a bit weird, isn't it? Let's just watch the time go. I'm actually really, no, I don't think we'll actually be able to beat the spider in this episode, which is a tiny bit sad. Oh, bee of the day for today is... Oh, and the bees have come to me to hear who bee of the day is. Exhausted bee! Well done, exhausted bee. You're very exhausted, but you're very good. That's this one over here, who looks a bit... No, that's not that one. That's not what it would be. Guys, the worst have come to the worst. We can't beat the spider in today's episode! No! Just about run out of time. That's okay, because we will be able to beat it in the next episode. So, wait, maybe we can actually. Yeah, I think, guys, unfortunately we're going to have to beat it in the next episode, but that's okay, because of course you would have subscribed, and you will never, ever, oh, what's happening, and you will never, ever miss the next episode. Yeah, hope you are, guys. Okay, guys, remember 50 likes, and I will go in there. So remember to stay subscribed, click that ding-a-ling-ling bell so you won't miss the spider battle, and see you guys in the next episode. Bye!